Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Research. In the series of effective ways of doing research, in today's video we are going to see things that I would know while I was pursuing PhD. Friends, I want to share some of my personal experiences and things that need to be considered ahead while pursuing a research or PhD. Let's check out today's video. Number 1. Set up daily goals. It is highly recommended to set up your daily goals and important to-do list so that you will have a proper journey while pursuing your research. This will also help you to have a healthy, balanced life between work and research. So you will not get confused over the period of time when you have a daily goal to-do list. So it is very helpful you set your goals ahead while pursuing PhD. Like for example, I used to set up my goals related to my introduction, my research work, my problem statement, or what are the experiments that I'm going to perform on my research problem. So this helped me to understand what is the research statement. Because as we go depth, keep on reading our research papers, it becomes quite difficult to understand the things. So it is very helpful to make a note, like for example, while designing literature review, I kept a goal that I will study minimum 20 research papers within a day. So this helps me to understand how many research papers that I am going to target to complete a literature survey, and this will also help us to understand how much time it will take if we put up the strategy in an effective way. So please make a setup of daily goals that you are going to perform in your research. Number 2, discuss your expectations with your supervisor. There is a different working strategy for everyone. It varies from supervisor to supervisor and guides. It is very important that you sit with your supervisor, discuss with them what you are expecting from your PhD, and so that you can work in a productive environment. Number 3, dedicated allotted time. As mentioned in earlier videos, you have to specify your allotted time for each stage of research. Do take care that you spend only that enough time what you have decided for each of your research plan. Or else it may happen that you keep on pushing your goals and your PhD might extend. Friends, take care of this. Number 5, it's never too late to write a thesis. Thesis writing is an integral part of research. I would suggest you to write your thesis immediately after you finish performing your literature survey. This will give you an ample of time to work ahead and write properly for experimental analysis. This will give you enough time to focus on your upcoming chapters and stages. Start writing your thesis as early as possible. The next important one, attend maximum workshops and conferences in this duration. This is an important to understand. If you attend the conferences and workshops in your expertise field, it will not only build your network, but it will also give you how you have to pursue your research in your domain. Imagine if you go to particular workshop or conferences, you will meet different number of researchers and people where you can interact, discuss with them. If you are stuck in certain problem, you can discuss with them, you can apply the strategy that they have been applying to take forward the research. It's always good to discuss with the like-minded people about your problems and take ahead your research. So I do recommend everyone to attend workshops and conferences and build your network in research duration. The next important one comes is target at least one research paper in top level conference in your domain area, because most of the companies or academic institutions consider publications only from top level conferences or journals. So do remember to target at least one research paper in this entire 4 to 5 years of your research journey for a good level and top level conference. Make sure you have this proper plan at the beginning of your research, so you will have a clear mindset and clear strategy how you have to approach and how you have to target your research methods. And the last bonus one for you, make a note of everything whatever you read. It might be any abstract, conclusion, summary, code, whatever it is, just make a proper note of whatever you are reading every day. You can also create your own GitHub repo and just post your code over there, so you can refer it back whenever it needed. And you can also create your own Google Doc and keep it with you, and just keep on scribbling whatever you read from the papers that you feel important. These all points will help you when you're writing your thesis. You can easily refer back to these points and make a proper elaboration of your research work. Please make note of everything, whatever you are reading in your everyday's life while pursuing research. So this all, friends, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. These are the really serious things that I have been taking care and wish I would know while pursuing PhD, because these things or these tips will definitely help you to have an effective way of doing research without being stressed. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research so you'll not miss any updated notifications. Stay tuned, take care, till then goodbye.